Yo, what's going on, guys? um, okay, I just haven't made a video in quite a while. Um, but anyway, okay, there's a lot that I really want to go over, such as, um, oh gosh, it's been a while. Oh yeah, on Ali, April 20th. Okay, well, first of all, Bitcoin looks pretty bad. Um, this is like a textbook bear flag, especially if we get up under this these two little wicks right here. That's pretty bad, and we'll be testing this level again, and then you know south side. Okay. Anyways, though. Okay. So on oh yeah, Netflix. No, okay, forget the Alibaba thing. Um. Yeah, April 6th. No, what day was it? No, it's this day. April 10th. If you do follow me on Twitter at Play It Trades, then you saw that I alerted some like Netflix calls that were expiring. I can't remember. It was expiring the same week that I alerted them. So it's pretty risky, but I liked it. First of all, you can see that um, they were buying up this dip on each because they were wicking up. And then you can see right here we have increased volume. A lot of buyers stepped in. Very surprised they didn't close green this candle, but yeah, buyers stepped in big time. Um, and then you can see we're starting to base right here. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyways, you can see we were starting to base right here. And so I alerted some calls early in the morning, and they absolutely ripped like insane. Like throughout the day, and then the next day they went up like 300%, which I told not to let go and to swing. It was a pretty confident play. Um, what's another one? Yeah, J&J. This one was pretty nasty, um, in a good way, of course. I didn't trade this one. I traded CVS and Sympathy. Well, just because I was eyeing healthcare because you can see that like this is Johnson, this is J&J, was bleeding pretty badly. Okay, so I was waiting for it to start getting a bid, which you can see here. I mean, it's starting to go right back down. CVS is, but I mean, you can see right here, bleeding, and then I saw we were starting to get bid. We were starting to get some bids in, uh, and so then it was this day right here. Um, yeah, this day right here. I don't know if I alerted. I don't think I alerted these, but yeah, I traded CVS and I swung calls into this day right here and wrote it up. They went insane. Um, anyways, though, da, da, da. Oh yeah, one thing I was really wanting to talk about was freaking Boeing on this day. I was literally looking. I'm not even kidding you. Uh, on this day, I was looking at swinging some Boeing puts just because it looked like it was distribution, and also because on the 30 minute it looked. I mean, it was just a bear flag. It was just a straight up bear flag as well, and I just liked it. Um, like here, we were after this calm down right here. We're starting to go like this, and then it just looked perfect. But I did not trade it, unfortunately. But I did trade Dick's Sporting Goods on one of these days. I wish I remembered which day it was. Or I can look right here. Is this day, the 13th? Wait, is it this day? Wait. Oh wait. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I swung puts right here for like $34 a contract. And it wicked. It went down like 2% for like the first like it was like 45 minutes of open or so. And then it started to rally back up. But I exited though for like a 69% gain. It was pretty nice. SPY though, I do want to talk about. I have been trading. I've been trading SPX a lot lately, just because. Okay, wait, hold on. One note is right here. Um, Sellers are aggressive. This is showing some aggressive selling action for sure. But also, I mean, it looks like it's we're getting a lot of buying action. So it's. I think right now we're just at a waiting point. I mean, we could see like the same type of setup, um, and us, break out. Maybe retest this 415 level, and then come back down and go down for this nice volume gap to where we can test 405. Oh man, that's a nice level. Very nice level. But yeah, I've just been trading SPX mainly because I mean, like the risk to reward ratio on SPX it's just through the roof. Not even kidding, guys. Like, let's take for instance, like what I've been doing. Um, Sorry for saying so much. If I do, you know how it is. If you have made a YouTube video or just video, it's just like I don't know. You feel like you're running out of breath for literally no reason. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Anyways, um, okay. So what I've been doing, honestly, I 'cause I used to trade supply and demand when I was like first started out trading, but like I didn't take into effect like price action and um just a market maker mindset type of way. I know it sounds cheesy, but it's the truth. Um, and so I've been using this along with VPA, like volume price analysis, and oh my gosh, it's been yielding like insane results. Um, I honestly kind of like to chart on SPY and use these zones on here. So like let's take for instance on this day right here, I tweeted out. Um, oh my god, there's so many things I want to talk about because it's been so long. Which zone was it? I'm trying to think. It was one of. Oh yeah. No, it wasn't that one. Was it this one? It was this one. Yeah, that's it. Um. Okay, so usually what you would do is like you would buy the dip, or no, like you would buy or you would sell the rejection of like a supply zone. Um. But in a case like this, you can see here that it acted as support, launched, came back down, resistance right there on those 2 weeks. We bled down, came back up, resistance again, came back above, and we broke back through, turning it into resistance again, back through, broke the resistance, support right there. Support again, came back down, went under, resistance. And so then right then and there, I tweeted out at 10:21, talking about how I'm like, they're gonna send us up today. Like I just know they are. Um, and you can honestly just look if you just go back. Dang, what day was that? This is the 19th. Okay. Yeah, this day here. Um, I mean, you can literally just see here, guys. What is that? I mean, like we were just wicking. And well, first of all, like what you want to look for, like if we're gonna break through that supply or demand zone, let's say like for this case, for instance, it's supply, okay, or resistance. Whenever you see like this casual grind up, like with no issue really. I mean, there were some issues right there, but um, like okay, so like for instance, like what you would do is you can see that we were already wicking off of this zone right here, and like what I did is, or what I usually do is, I will buy like a small position of like calls. It's in this case, I bought some calls, okay, and I would wait for a rejection because I mean it's going to reject 9 times out of 10. It's going to reject and do some type of fake out to get like to find stop, like to hunt stops on people's like plays. And so what you would do is literally once you see it start coming, like the signal that you get when you know they're gonna send it back up, like you're gonna send us up, is when they start sending it back up again into that. As soon as you see something like this is textbook. This is just from my experience though. Um, this was the signal that they're sending us up. So you would just, you could just buy more and then, just grind up. But with zero DTs, you got to be careful though, because SPX? No. Oh yeah, this is what I was wanting to talk about. Well, SPX, I've been trading SPX because literally you can risk the smallest amount and get like a 400% return within like. You can literally just, if you just know where they're gonna send us throughout the day, then you're fine. Like you will make it's a no-brainer. Like for instance, that's what I did on this day. I mean, even though it was slowly grinding up, the contracts would, they would be up 30%, but then they'd be at break even, negative, and then they started getting more in the money, and then they were hanging around like up like 20% around here, and literally just this giant shot the contracts up over like 400%, and I risked like almost nothing, and profited, bank. But yeah, that's what I was wanting to talk about. And then also on April 19th, I tweeted out, 410 tomorrow or less on April 19th, which was, yeah, I tweeted it out though, like, at what time was this? At 6:50 p.m. It's like right around here. Well, because, like I said, guys, this is that zone I was talking about. Okay, they were sending it right back down, which was a signal that, they're gonna send us down, and then bam, literally, 410.87, and then we did get 410.28 that day, and so now we're in this little area now, and this day, oh yeah, which day was it? Yeah, this day right here. I don't know if any of you guys actually follow me on Twitter or even watch this video. I don't even know. But anyways, so I was tweeting out bullish and bearish stuff, but the reason being though, let me go back, is because there were sellers hiding in here throughout the day. Okay, so like take for instance like. So a thing with like volume price analysis, you got to realize that you can see bears or sellers close this candle down by 0.05% on a crap load of volume. Okay, which this just shows you that, they're really trying to send it down. But then when you see something like this, bulls step in and close it up 0.09% on way less volume like this right there, then that's how you know bulls are in control and they're showing some strength. Okay, but at the same time though, sellers, they were also showing some strength throughout the day, and so it was very conflicting, like at least for me, because I just like could not make up my mind like with like absolute confidence. I knew that they were gonna send us up for sure. I did know that, but sellers were showing strength as well, which was weird. So that's why I was probably tweeting, like, if you guys even follow me on Twitter or even look at my tweets, probably going like, what the hell is this guy talking about? But yeah, that's the reason though. It's because sellers were hiding as well and showing some strength throughout the day. But buyers did send it up. But I was also expecting some type of like downside, because sellers were giving us the messages throughout the day saying, we are here. We're not gonna be playing around today type of deal. Um, like something like this, for instance. Um, you can see that, like, okay, so like take this candle for example. This thing closed down minus 0.04%, and this candle closed up 0.04%. But this would have been like the first Q. This was like the first Q of, buyers are starting to get a little weak now. Um, which you can see. It doesn't mean that it's gonna be right away. You just gotta wait for like a key zone, for instance. So which I did. Well, I did it on SPX though. I was freaking driving, of course. On this day right here. Wait, was it this day? Yeah. Um, you can literally see this was a huge confluence area right here. And so I took my SPY analysis as well. That little that bulls were starting to get a little slowdown now. Like you can take for instance like here, this huge volume influx, but like they're literally getting nowhere. Um, and so I was just looked for that zone on SPX, and I just knew to short on SPX. Zero DTs. It puts wood up over like 500%. It was insane. Um, but then again, you just got to know your risk with SPX because those guys can literally go. Um, you cannot be looking at P&L if you're trying to trade SPX. I promise you that. You can only look at price action and have like your actual stops. But I have learned though it's better to trade it like at, I don't know, like 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I found um, that's just better. But that's only because it's closer to expiration, with it being zero DTs um, as well. But also, what I want to go over though is I don't know if anybody even is going to watch this video. I literally have no clue. But um, so like I don't know if you guys, if okay, let's say if somebody does watch this video and does trade ICT, like the ICT method. One thing I don't know, it's just so hard to like hold on, let me make sure it's okay. It's just so hard to defend that because it's literally just supply and demand. Like this to them, like this is like it's called like BSL, like liquidity, some bullcrap. I have literally no clue. But look, it's literally just supply and demand. Like this is insane. Like it's literally just that. But oh yeah, also one big thing is I'm gonna start trading futures as well, just because you can literally just go insane on that crap. Like because I'm like a guy that I love to like get in and out of trades like rapid fast. So I do not like to be in positions for long, if I can avoid it. Just because there's always some type of news related incident. Um, like literally just any time. So I like to get in and out of everything. But I mean, I got started out. Well, I opened up a TradeAvate account, but I soon realized that um, it might not be the best. But I don't know. I'm just gonna try it a little bit and see how it goes. It just sucks because it's like, dude, you should not. Well, I mean, like, you should. I mean, like, obviously, you should have to pay, like, for some things. Because if it wasn't for like that brokerage, then you wouldn't be making you know insane amounts of money. But I hate spending money, guys. I don't know if I've said that enough or not. I have no clue why my eyes are so heavy all of a sudden. Very strange. Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah, and also I haven't been tweeting a lot as much as I should be. Also, I've been working on not trading market open. Like, I just wait and chill because literally it can just go south so fast. It's not even funny. Um, Also, Nvidia, yeah, literally Nvidia. I was talking about like I love it for the short side, like absolutely. But I was talking about how if it does not break this 263.50 area, like here, um, then it's not breaking. But also, if you look on Nvidia, guys, literally, hold up, it might be 30 minute. I was looking at, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, but yeah, I mean, you can literally see. Oh, sorry. Supply, demand. I mean, you can really just take it as resistance and support. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You don't have to have any fancy terminology. But literally, market open right here. Look at that, wicked right off of that bad boy. I did not take it because I really just like trading SPY, mainly, or SPX, either one, or even QQQ. I like those, or DIA. Um, Also, I want to get into trading Bitcoin futures. I don't know. I mean, I know that's pretty risky, but I'm all for it. You never know until you try. I'm gonna be honest with you, guys. Straight up. Okay. Anyways, oh yeah, Snapchat. Honestly, guys, I don't know if y'all been playing or been on Snapchat and talking to that AI on Snapchat, but it's pretty cool. Um, it kind of makes me want to launch Snapchat. Not even gonna lie, just because it's just pretty cool and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. I mean, I know it's capitalism and all, but I just hate pay for stuff. Like, I'm gonna be 100% with you boys. Um, dang, 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 dang. Wait, what the heck? I don't know why that just flashed. Oh yeah, Airbnb. We literally caught the bottom of this guy. Like, oh my gosh. On this day, the 10th, absolutely slammed it with calls. We rode this wave up, and then we gapped up the next day. Well, I mean, we didn't. I mean, we did gap up. Well, no, we didn't gap up. I guess. Never mind. Take that back. I wish I held because literally you can see it went up insane, but I was up nice, so I was not gonna be complaining. And also, I think in my last video, the video before, I was talking about switching to E Trade, which I was switched to E Trade, but like I tried I tried ordering the debit card, but literally I cannot. I've ordered it twice, and they have not shipped it both times, and I'm like, bruh. So, and plus, like I said, like I hate spending money, and they charge like a $15 or $25 fee to withdraw like money, like and I'm like, bro, I am not withdrawing. I mean, I'm not gonna be getting charged to literally have my money that I made. Wow, look at that. Snapchat looks terrible though. The only reason I would say to long Snapchat is just because of the AI, but also like look at this volume. Though this is a heavy area. If it breaks, it's gonna be pretty bad. I'll be honest. Um, don't know what that trend line is. Um, oh yeah, Kev, if you do watch this video, um, oh yeah, Best Buy looks absolutely terrible, like so freaking bad. Like, oh my god, oh my gosh, this is terrible. Let me. I think I already tweeted this out. Yeah, because they did have bad earnings. Plus, it's like, it's retail. It's a retail store. Uh, consumer spending has been slowing down a lot. And it's going to continue to slow down. It's the reason why the Fed's been increasing interest rates. Slow down that money flow, boys. Wait, did I already tweet this? I have no clue. Let me go see. I might have. I might have. Oh yeah, I freaking did. Okay, thank God I did not tweet that again. Oh yeah, FedEx, dude, this thing's getting absolutely slammed with sellers. They are not messing around. They are about to dump this guy. I can almost guarantee you that. This is exactly what we see. Look at this. Wick down, wick down, wick down. I mean, it is a wick down here, but it's a low volume. This is a low volume. But this is increased volume. Huge volume, huge volume. And this is a huge level of and they did have, oh no, they had good earnings, I guess, but they dumped it anyways. But I guess you can argue, supply resistance or supply and demand or support resistance. But yeah, this thing looks terrible. So sorry. At least short term, okay. Moderna, dude, I was literally watching this thing bled off J&J's earnings. Wait, no, yes, I want to say J&J. Yeah, J&J's earnings, absolutely. Or was it? No, it was not. It was J&J's earnings. And it bled insanely bad, and it broke this freaking bear flag I was watching. It sucks having to watch so many things. TSM looks, I mean, oh my god, it looks so bad. Looks so bad. This thing's done for, dude. It looks like it had bad earnings too. Like, this thing is trash. Like, this thing is, I would not even try logging that. I'm so sorry. Unless I would try logging it here at the $79 level, but I did tweet it out though. If you do follow me on Twitter. Where did it? I don't know. I tweeted it out somewhere, okay. I had Tesla. Let's see if it ever bounced up off that level. Did it? Oh, it did. Wait, did it? No, it did not. Never mind. Okay. Okay, anyways, I think that's going to do for this video. Try not to make it too long. But, alright guys. Catch you guys later.